Engineering curves. In engineering, various types of curves we generally use. Some of the curves are called conic sections. Conic sections means when a cone is cut by some section planes, the shapes what we are obtaining is called conic sections. Suppose let us consider this as a cone. Now, when you cut this cone like this, you will be getting a circle. So, circle is also a conic section. Now, when this cutting plane is inclined like this, you will be getting the shape of ellipse, depends on the inclination. So, this is also a conic section. Now, when the cutting plane cuts parallel to this, that means I just draw another thing. When a cone is cut by a section plane like this, you will be getting a shape like this, which is called parabola. This is ellipse and this is circle. When this cutting plane is parallel to the generator, we will be getting parabola. When a cutting plane is inclined to the generator, then the shape what you are getting is called hyperbola. These are all various conic sections. Now, construction of circle is very easy. Now, we are going to see how this ellipse, parabola and hyperbola can be constructed graphically. That means ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Now, there is a general definition for conic sections. That means the definition of the general definition of a conic section is a path traced by a point moving over a plane in such a way that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point to a fixed straight line is always constant. This is the general definition. The path traced by a point moving over a plane in such a way that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point to a fixed straight line is always a constant. So, this can be understood easily from this explanation. Let us say a fixed point and fixed straight line. This is the fixed straight line and this is the fixed point. Suppose a point is moving over this plane subject to certain condition. That means the distance to the point we say it's x and distance to the straight line we say it is y. Now this x by y ratio is always constant. Suppose when you just move the point here x is reduced and y is also reduced, so the x by y ratio is maintained. Similarly, when the point comes here, this is the distance to the point, fixed point, and this is the distance to the fixed straight line. This is also constant. So, if the point is moving over this plane, by keeping this ratio is constant, then the section or the curve is called a conic section. So, when you just draw the curve, this will be cutting your horizontal line at some point. This point is called vertex. Here also the ratio will be maintained. That means the distance to the point is say x and distance to the straight line is y. So at this vertex point also the curve has to satisfy this condition. So this fixed ratio is called eccentricity. Fixed ratio is called eccentricity. Fixed point is called focus. Fixed straight line called directrix. Fixed ratio is called eccentricity. This will be denoted by the letter E. Fixed point is called focus. Fixed straight line is called directrix. So when this E is less than 1, then this ratio is less than 1 means the curve will be ellipse. If E is equal to 1, then the curve will be parabola. When E is greater than 1, the curve is said to be hyperbola. For example, if we say it's 2 by 3, ratio is less than 1, then when the eccentricity is 2 by 3, the curve will be naturally ellipse. When the eccentricity is 1, then the curve will be your parabola. When the eccentricity is more than 1, for example, it is 3 by 2, then the curve will be, or it's more than 1, that will be hyperbola. Now, when the eccentricity and the focus distance from the directrix, and the eccentricity when it is given, how to construct this ellipse, parabola and hyperbola, we can see using the mini drafter and the drawing board. Okay.